Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a grocery haul. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed a grocery haul video and I wanted to let you guys know what I picked up. I have like nothing, really not much in my fridge at all, so we're gonna do a full restock. So I'm gonna go through everything that I picked up from the market. I went to Tom Thumb and then I did go to Trader Joe's yesterday, so I'll show you just a couple of the things that I picked up from the Trader Joe's yesterday. So let's get started. It's not too much, honestly, because Scott has stopped eating all of his meals here, and he also meal preps on Sundays. So yeah, if you guys wanna see like his Sunday meal prep, I can definitely show that on my vlog channel. But anyways, let's get into it. Let's start with proteins like always. This was just on killer sale today, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick it up. It's a super small one. It's like less than a pound, but it was $5, which is I think really good. It's a New York strip, so I figured we could do this. It says it has bone in, but oh, it's a little bone. Anywho, I figured this would be good over a salad, like taco, fajitas, whatever. Just a little bit of a steak option. I love this turkey bacon. It has the like best macros, I find. It's like high protein for turkey bacon. I feel like some turkey bacons just have like nothing in it, and it's just like, okay, well, if it's got nothing in it, I might as well just eat bacon, right? So I grabbed that. I grabbed a thing of large eggs. I'm probably gonna hard boil some of them. I'm kind of craving like egg salad sandwich, so I might try that. This, I don't typically buy like pre-marinated meats, to be honest with you. I do from Trader Joe's every once in a while, but I haven't in a while from the regular grocery store. And they just didn't have the original like regular schmegular pork tenderloin, so I just grabbed this. It's roasted garlic and herb. I like having this. It's such a quick and easy dinner and it makes good leftovers. I also grabbed some halibut, fresh halibut for a fish option this week. Turkey breast, I like just having this as a snack. This one's good because it's really thick cut, but I feel like it is pricey for what it is at the market. So you get 8 ounces, which $6. So it's not terrible, but it's the Columbus roasted turkey breast. Arlo loves these little mini hot dogs. He loves to eat these for dinner. So I get the turkey ones. No specific reason, I just get the turkey ones. I find them to be a tiny bit sweeter. So that is everything that I got for meats. We still do have like chicken and things like that in the freezer. I grabbed some butter lettuce. I've really been liking butter lettuce to use it as little like ground turkey cups, but also as salad. I really like butter lettuce salads. So I get the living one because it just lasts obviously a lot longer. These are supposed to be some new fancy raspberry, the sweetest batch raspberries. I don't know, should we try? I love raspberries. And then they're really, really sweet. Okay, those remind me of like fresh raspberries I used to pick at my babysitter's house growing up. So good. Also grabbed some strawberries. To tell if strawberries are good, you just smell them. I find you can smell if they're really sweet, and those smell so good. This is a random, but these are the roasted red bell peppers. I like these in salads. I like these on sandwiches. They're just like roasted in a jar of like juice, but those are those. I grabbed 2 things of broccolini. I like the broccolini from Tom Thumb because it's a sweet broccolini. I find it to be like a much nicer taste than the one from Trader Joe's, which I find just doesn't have flavor at all. Like it doesn't have like a sweetness that I like veggies to have. I grabbed some organic kale. Again, salads, things like that. I grabbed 3 bell peppers, a yellow, a red, and an orange. I grabbed 1 avocado and then some apples. Honeycrisp apples are the best. I grabbed some of these little baby potatoes. I just find that we actually will cook with them more than we will like a giant potato. So we like these. You can smash these, you can roast these, you can do whatever with these. They're so good. Quick, easy carb side. I've got some cocktail cucumbers. I just like these baby cucumbers. I think they're good in like salads, like a salmon fishy bowl, or obviously just plain with some tahini on top. So good. I grabbed some cheese. I just got I thought I got Havarti. Okay, I guess I got baby Swiss, but that's fine. For sandwiches, Arlo really likes cheese, so always have cheese on hand. I grabbed some low-fat cottage cheese. I like this with some salt and pepper on top as a quick snack. Some regular shredded cheese for eggs and things like that. And Arlo just also likes to just eat cheese with his hands. I grabbed a big thing of milk for him as well. Some Dave's Killer bread. I like the thin slice just because I feel like the regular is like too much bread almost, and these are smaller, and it makes it easier to make grilled cheeses for Arlo because it's like thinner bread and he can like actually eat it. I don't know, I just prefer it. I grabbed a bunch of yogurts, so I got these Oikos 000 are my favorite. They're a high protein Greek yogurt. Banana cream, I think this is the banana cream one. Yeah, banana cream is my absolute favorite flavor. And then I got the Pro, which I believe is more protein. And this has 20 grams of protein in strawberry, the original in peach, and then another banana cream. I like these, Arlo likes these, Scott likes these, so they're a win. I grabbed some mini bagels. I thought this would be good to do little like egg sandwiches with bacon on them for breakfast option. And I mean, who doesn't love a bagel? Arlo likes them as well. I grabbed some organic Faro. This is the quick cooking one. Thought this would be good to add to my kale salads, or it's just another way to bulk up a salad or like a bowl sort of thing. I grabbed some mixed veggies for Arlo. He really just enjoys canned vegetables. And then I grabbed some Quaker lightly salted rice cakes. I have a bunch of other flavors. The tomato basil's great, the white cheddar, the butter, whatever is so good. I got the plain or lightly salted ones to do like avocado on or peanut butter on as like a little snack as well. Okay, I went to Sprouts the other day and I got a little pack of Zevia and I forgot how much I actually really like it. If you don't like diet soda taste, you probably will hate this. I, fun fact, only like diet soda taste. I don't know why, I just do. So I got the Zevia, the Dr. Zevia is my favorite, Dr. Pepper, whatever. Even Scott drinks it, which says a lot because he doesn't typically drink soda, so neither of us do. But I like a fun drink like in the middle of my day. And then I love LaCroix. I picked up the watermelon flavor of this, just good to have again, like as a midday, like fun drink and also just to have with lunches and things like that. So this week, we're gonna have halibut with I'm probably gonna make actually the halibut tonight with some broccolini and some rice or something as like a side. And then do like maybe a steak kale salad and pork as with like maybe potatoes and some broccolini. So just some meal ideas. Typically do a protein, a veggie, and a starch of some sort. We always have rice in the freezer pre-made, so it's just quick and easy, so you don't have to buy those packs that you heat up in the microwave. But either way, that is my little grocery haul. If you guys enjoy seeing videos like this, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. It lets me know you want to continue seeing them. If you want to see any other like sort of thing, I am so excited. Can I just say that I'm so excited to be moving really close to a Costco. I am going to get myself a Costco membership and I'm going to do Costco hauls. I'm so excited. So if there's any other stores that you want to see grocery hauls from, like if you want to do it themed or with like a budget, I mean, I always pretty much stick to the same amount because I know I'm very aware of like the cost of foods because I go grocery shopping all the time. Yeah, let me know. I think it would be fun to switch them up, or if you don't care if they stay as a main. I feel like I get the same things all the time, so I don't know how entertaining they are to me, but I absolutely love watching grocery hauls. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.